Welcome back. Time now for national updates. MPs are angry with actor Om Puri after he called politicians illiterate and incompetent during Anna Hazare's campaign. Now he faces privilege notices in Parliament. The actor created a controversy when he launched a no-holds-barred attack on politicians from the stage at Ramlila Maidan on Friday. Now the discussion on the privilege motion will take place in Parliament tomorrow. Om Puri has said that he's sorry if he's hurt any sentiments.
भावुक था मैं और अन्ना की सेहत को लेकर और सरकार के कोई नतीजे पे ना आने की वजह से फिर एक संसद के अन्ना जी पे कुछ ऐसे अपशब्द बोलने पे तो ये सब चीज़ों से मुझे गुस्सा भी था और तकलीफ भी थी। तो उसमें इस भावना से मैंने वो बोला। मैंने बहुत अच्छी बातें भी बोली, लेकिन उस उत्तेजित मूड में मुझसे दो शब्द गलत निकले। वो था गंवार और अनपढ़। उन दो शब्दों के लिए मैं माफ़ी मांगूंगा। बाकी अगर उनको कोई और आपत्ति होगी तो मैं चाहूंगा कि वो मुझसे पूछे, मैं उनको।
Now the Gujarat High Court has acquitted all 12 people convicted in the Haren Pandya murder case. The court slammed the CBI for what it called shoddy probe. The court also said that the CBI botched up the investigations. The former Home Minister Haren Pandya was in fact shot dead in 2003. The CBI probed the case. 15 persons out of 19 suspects were named as accused for killing Pandya to avenge the 2002 riots. Now, a special Pota court had convicted 12 of them in the year 2007. The 12 had challenged their conviction in the High Court. Now, for the first time in the history of Karnataka, a former Chief Minister is appearing in a Sessions Court. Now, former Chief Minister Yediyurappa arrived at the Lokayukta Court. He again applied for bail in the Lokayukta Court. Now, the court will hear his bail plea on September 7th. The High Court had earlier rejected Yediyurappa's anticipatory bail plea. Yediyurappa had applied for anticipatory bail plea after being named in connection with the illegal denotification of land when he was the Chief Minister. Now, Governor H.R. Bharadwaj had given the go-ahead for prosecution. Yediyurappa can face, meanwhile, arrests soon. The 68-year-old, who had to step down as Chief Minister after he was indicted in the Lokayukta report on illegal mining. Now, the making of historic anti-corruption movement by Team Anna witnessed major contributions from the digital world. Google produces 29 million results if a search is made for Anna Hazare. An Anna Hazare page, meanwhile, on Facebook has been liked by 3.64 lakh users, whereas an I Hate Anna Hazare page on Facebook has just managed 4,137 followers. Meanwhile, a video of Kiran Bedi on Anna Hazare from Tihar jail compound uploaded onto YouTube has been viewed by 1.6 lakh viewers. Meanwhile, SMSs containing the words Anna Hazare or corruption are the most circulated messages on cell phones. Now, passengers of the Kochi-Bahrain flight had a narrow escape when an A320 plane skidded off the runway by nearly 10 meters. Now, the flight to Bahrain had 137 passengers on board. 7 of them have received minor injuries. The rest are safe. Now, initial reports suggest heavy rain and heavy winds are responsible for the mishap. The runway is shut, rather was shut earlier today for 10 hours. Now, the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi is on a collision course with the state governor after he appointed a retired High Court Judge R.A. Mehta as the Lokayukta, bypassing the government. Now, this notification was challenged by the Modi government. Now, a petition has been filed by the father of murdered RTI activist Amit Jethwa, seeking answers from Modi government on delays in the appointment of the Lokayukta. Now, the plea comes up in the court today. Now, rain chaos in Mumbai. Intermittent rains in Mumbai for the third consecutive day has hit commuters hard this Monday. Now, local trains and services, the lifeline of the city, have been hampered severely. Train services on Central Line have resumed on 2 tracks. Now, train services on the Western local line were still on. Trains on the Western line was running, in fact, 20 minutes late. Several flights have been delayed for about 10 minutes out of Mumbai airport. Traffic jams are being reported on the eastern and western express highways. Now, minor waterlogging has been reported from low-lying areas like Hindmata, Dadar and Parel in central Mumbai. Now, the BMC has asked the municipal schools to stay shut today as the rains continue. Now, Tropical Storm Irene has killed at least 20 people as it rolled into the US East Coast over the weekend. 5 million people, meanwhile, have been left homeless. New Yorkers, though, breathe a sigh of relief as the hurricane weakened when it passed over the state. Now, New Yorkers got away with lesser damage than was expected. Fears of massive floods also subsided. Now, the power cuts have hit many areas. Eastern United States is slowly getting back to normal. The US government has promised to help those people help rebuild their homes. Now, in entertainment news, singer Beyonce has revealed that she is expecting her first baby. Now, the singer made a surprise announcement as she debuted her baby bump on the red carpet at the MTV Music Video Awards after a fabulous performance of Love on Top that attracted a standing ovation from the audience. Beyonce ripped open her jacket and proudly rubbed her baby tummy. With that, that's all we have time for. Keep watching NDTV Hindu for more news and updates.